Hi, so what does an empty 3-bed property look like? Well, this is the first of many properties we are going to refurbish, refinance, and let out. This one's going to be a serviced accommodation, but it used to be my old home where I lived here about 20 years ago. So let's have a look. Walk in from the outside through to the kitchen. And this is the old dining living room. Carpets, the old carpets have been taken up. I had them all cleared out when I had the house removal people come through. This cupboard here is going to be removed. This space here, this old cupboard. I'm going to make this an open plan. I'll show you the plans in a cutout. So the wall will come through back to here. Roughly about here. And then we'll have the living room there, the dining room here, which used to be the original layout anyway. All double glazed. Under the stairs, into the kitchen. The whole kitchen's coming out. All new units. New microwave. The boiler's going to stay because apparently, despite us being as old as it is, it's in pretty good condition and all the parts are still available. Why spend money where you don't need to, as my boiler guy said. This goes out into the conservatory. There's going to be some major changes here. And this wall is going to be taken down to half height, and then we're going to build out a panel down across this way, joining out. This conservatory will then open out. The floor is going to be redone. We're going to. That looks just nice, doesn't it? Look at that. Delicious. All this is going to change. New roof. This wall's going to come out to about here and about half height. You see, this is the other part of the conservatory. The door leading outside to the garden. Not a bad garden with a garage at the far end. Needs a new roof. Into the kitchen. This kitchen has seen better days. It's probably about 30 odd years old. Nice old boiler. They're actually going to keep the boiler because it's a heat only boiler. Nice kitchen. Lovely tiles, look at that. Lovely old sink. Door's going to go out, open outwards from the outside. Nice little cooker, all this is changing. And then we come back into the foyer, under sales storage. Then we go upstairs. Handrails, actually up to code, seemingly. Nice bathroom in blue, look at that. And that's going to change. Tasty. Landing into the first room. Decent sized room. Tiny radiator. I'm going to change that. Floor's coming up. And then with the cupboards, we can change it to sliding doors. Have more space in here. Up from the landing into the master bedroom. It's dark and dingy in here. Lovely wallpaper. I'm going to go full screen changed. Look at that. And then into the next room. It's tiny. Floors up. We've already had electrics done. Run a new consumer unit down below. Open the rest of the house. Very odd shape space here. So getting a double bed in is going to be a little bit tricky. But you know what? We're going to try. We're going to put it across the back here. Maybe replace the radiator. Who knows? And there we have it. There's a nice little park outside. Of course you can't see that in the dark. But hey. Let's go back down to the foyer. Stairs will get new carpet, new flooring down here. And then back out to the front. And there we have it. Next refurb project. Here we go.